What if you could actually visit Hogwarts, King's Landing, and the Shire? A lantern-lit mountain town shaped anime magic, and a storm-beaten Atlantic rock became a Jedi refuge. Today we're exploring 10 real places behind iconic worlds, and in many cases, reality outshines the fantasy. Fiction isn't built from thin air. It's rooted in real landscapes. Sometimes inspired means the exact filming location you saw on screen. Other times it's a visual template. Architecture, mood, light, or geography, expanded with sets and CGI. We'll show both and call out the signatures: stone, water, forest, skyline that made these places perfect on screen. 10. Hobbiton, New Zealand, the Shire. Let's end where everything feels cozy. Hobbiton. Rolling hills, hedgerows, and round doors turn farmland near Matamata into the heartbeat of Middle-earth. The set was carved into the land: fruit trees, gardens, worn stone steps, quiet chimneys, so it reads as a real village, not a facade. Doorways and props vary in scale to sell hobbit versus human height in camera. And yes, the Green Dragon serves actual pints because the set was preserved. Time your visit late afternoon. Low sun rakes across the hills, the grass glows, and you get that exact home feeling the films promised. 9. Dubrovnik, Croatia. King's Landing. King's Landing is Dubrovnik. 16th century walls, cliff-top bastions, and the rock-perched Lovrianok fortress give the capital its silhouette. Sun-bleached stone and steep lanes heighten the heat and pressure of Westeros' political center. Power always feels uphill here. Visual effects add towers, but the bones, bastions, bulwarks, harbor are all real. Walk the full wall circuit. Every turn is a familiar composition, just without dragons. 8. Jiufen, Taiwan, the spirit of Spirited Away. Jiufen is often cited as the atmospheric inspiration for Spirited Away. Lanterns in fog, stacked stairways, and tea houses glowing warm at night. Whether or not one street is the model, the mood is unmistakably Ghibli. Golden light, close quarters, and mystery around every bend. The secret is vertical layering. The town cascades, each landing reveals new light, sound, and steam from kitchens below. Hit blue hour after rain. Puddles double the lanterns, and the mist does the cinematic grading for you. 7. Manhattan, USA. Gotham and Metropolis. New York is both Gotham and Metropolis. Bright, vertical, and optimistic, Metropolis channels the heroic city. Dark, dense, and rain-soaked, Gotham is its shadow. Manhattan supplies the DNA for both: Art Deco crowns and clean setbacks above, fire escapes and steam-filled canyons below. Production designers layer real textures and sound: honking cabs, rumbling trains, echoing alleys, so even stylized scenes have weight. It's myth built on granite and steel. 6. Alnwick Castle, England, Hogwarts. Hogwarts lives in Northumberland. Alnwick Castle hosted key scenes in the early films, broomstick lessons included. Courtyards, stairways, and vaulted passages give the School of Magic real proportions. Fantasy you can touch and hear, right down to footsteps echoing off stone. Later films shifted indoors to sets and digital builds, but the establishing shots lean on Alnwick's authentic geometry. Visit early. Long shadows, fewer people, and the space feels monastic enough to hear a spell. 5. Seville, Spain. The Water Gardens of Dorne. Dorne's water gardens draw from Seville's real Alcazar, water-cooled courtyards, patterned shade under arcades, and shimmering tile work. It's architecture built for heat. Low pools, cross breezes, and leafy cloisters where quiet conversations carry power. The location barely needs dressing. Tilt the lens and you find a new composition every few feet. Watch reflections in tile and water, they'll betray a film crew, or reward a patient photographer. 4. Yakushima, Japan. The living forest of Princess Mononoke. Ancient, wet, and overgrown, Yakushima's cedar forests explain why Princess Mononoke feels alive. Moss blankets stone and root. Mist threads the ravines. Green light scatters under the canopy. Trails like Shiratani Unsuikyo feel half-claimed by the forest, exactly the tension the film explores between human hands and the living world. The soundscape, rills, drip, birds, deepens that sense of spirit. Stay on marked paths and step lightly. The very textures that inspired the art are fragile in real life. 3. Bran Castle, Romania. Dracula's Castle. Pointed towers, a rocky spine, cramped passages. Bran Castle looks like the Dracula myth made stone. The literary history is more complex than one building, but the silhouette and perch match our Gothic expectations perfectly. It's a place where shadow pools under overhangs and rooms reveal themselves in sharp turns. Tourism leans into the legend, yet the mood predates marketing. Go on a gray day. Mist threads the towers, and your eyes do the rest. 2. Skellig Michael, Ireland. The Jedi Refuge, Ahch-To. Skellig Michael feels almost alien, beehive huts gripping a summit while wind and waves sing around exposed steps. That austerity made it the Jedi Refuge of Ahch-To. You feel the isolation because it's real. The drop, the salt, the gulls, the long narrow climb stitched into the ridge. Access is tightly controlled and seas are rough. The harshness becomes part of the story you're seeing. Exile and endurance written in stone. 1. Machu Picchu, Peru. The archetype of the lost city. Machu Picchu is the archetype of the lost city in the Andes. Mist, terraces, and knife-edge ridges communicate mystery and discovery at a glance. The city hides in a mountain saddle. Approaches bend and double back. Clouds peel away to reveal gridded walls and stairs. Pure cinematic archaeology. Arrive before dawn. That first light reveals the exact geometry filmmakers echo. Stone plains stacked against breathing clouds, a visual shorthand for wonder. Inspiration can be literal, this wall, this courtyard, or a blend of real forms, set dressing, and digital extensions. Many worlds are composites. One city's walls, another's harbor, a third skyline, stitched into a single map of the imagination. Why use real places? Texture, unpredictability, gravity, real wind and weather create noise you can't fake. Your brain recognizes the weight of a door, ripples in a tiled pool, and the layered chaos of a living forest. Real geography gives artists a vocabulary of shapes and atmospheres to riff on. That's why these spots stick. Hobbiton reads as comfort and home, Dubrovnik as intrigue and power, Yakushima as spirit and balance, Skellig as exile and devotion. Place does half the storytelling before a line is spoken. From the Shire to Ahch-To, real landscapes give fictional worlds weight, shapes, colors, and feelings we already know. Maybe Earth is the greatest special effect of all. Somewhere down a stone stair, across a sunlit courtyard, under a moss canopy, the next great world is waiting. Look closely, and you'll start seeing movie magic everywhere. If you enjoyed this journey through the real inspirations behind fictional worlds, tap like and subscribe for more geography-driven stories. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.